Now we're going to do a tank view. This house is on a different owner, so it may be different. Oh, this one's a different year. I think this one's 6493. Let's see. 6493. This one's a year older than the other one. Original Kohler Master 400A fill valve. Original Kohler handle, and I don't know about the flapper because for some reason the water I cannot see through. I don't know what's wrong with it. It looks normal in the toilet. I don't know. I don't know if there's a cleaning chemical. Whoops. The overflow tube looks different. Let me fix that. And here we go. Looks like a Fluid Master Adjust-A-Flush flapper. Or it might be Dial-A-Flush. I don't know what's wrong with the water in this toilet. It looks normal now. This tank seems to be a lot dirtier than the other one though. Remember, this toilet is kind of under a different ownership. Slow and filling up. This toilet's kind of slow in filling up. Again, I think this is a guest bathroom, and ooh, a secret door. Oh, look at that. There's a secret door in the bathroom. No, this is really a secret door. Locked. I would probably show you what's back there, because I would assume it's something like the pipe chase, and I would probably show you that if it was open, but shut. Get the cool view, maybe? No, I can't do very well. I'll just put it down here. Six, 7, 93. This one, 93. 93. This one's a year older for some reason. I think the stuff in the tank might be cleaning chemicals. That's it.